Rise and shine, everyone. It's a new day filled with possibilities, and I am thrilled to have you here today. We are unlocking the doors to a fascinating topic that is practice tough love. Let's make it meaningful, inspiring, and engaging. So let's jump right into it and discover something new together. Practice tough love. The golden thread of a highly successful and meaningful life is self discipline. Discipline allows you to do all those things you know in your heart you should do but never feel like doing. Without self discipline, you will not set clear goals, manage your time effectively, treat people well, persist through the tough times, care for your health, or think positive thoughts. I call the habit of self discipline tough love because getting tough with yourself is actually a very loving gesture. By being stricter with yourself, you will begin to live life more deliberately on your own terms rather than simply reacting to the life the way a leaf floating in a stream drifts according to the flow of the current on a particular day. As I teach in one of my seminars, the tougher you are on yourself, the easier life will be on you. The quality of your life ultimately is shaped by the quality of your choices and decisions, ones that range from the career you choose to pursue to the books you read, the time that you wake up every morning, and the thoughts you think during the hours of your days. When you consistently flex your willpower by making those choices that you know are the right ones rather than the easy ones, you take back control of your life. Effective, fulfilled people do not spend their time doing what is more convenient and comfortable. They have the courage to listen to their hearts and to do the wise thing. This habit is what makes them great. The successful person has the habit of doing the things failures don't like to do. Remarked essayist and thinker E.M. Gray, they don't like doing them either necessarily, but their disliking is subordinated to the strength of their purpose. The 19th century English writer Thomas Henry Huxley arrived at a similar conclusion, noting, perhaps the most valuable result of all education is the ability to make yourself do the thing you have to do, when it ought to be done, whether you like it or not. And Aristotle made this point of wisdom in yet another way. Whatever we learn to do, we learn by actually doing it. Men come to be builders, for instance, by building, and harp players by playing the harp. In the same way, by doing just acts, we come to be just. By doing self controlled acts, we come to be self controlled. And by doing brave acts, we come to be brave. How did you like it? Let us know in the comments. In our next video, we will dive into the next topic. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy, keep learning, and keep growing. Thank you.